Hey everybody, this is my first video regarding my Mini 2016 Mini R60S. I've added the Megan Racing strut bar from MWW. I added the NM cold air intake. Mario Kart did a great job at helping me through this. And I'm going to start doing a few other things. I'm going to go ahead and add the turbo resonator delete down there. Then I'll add the intercooler next week. I'm going to add a few more things. I'm going to do the video interface for the backup camera that I'm going to install that I got from 4x4.com in Canada. And alright, so more videos to come. This is just the first of many installments on how to do some of that stuff. Alright. See you on the next one.